Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be revealing a secret hair tutorial. So recently I've been doing my hair a little bit different from what I would usually do. I would usually just straighten my hair, but I just did a little experimenting, and I found my favorite hair what do we say, hair setting. And a lot of people in my DMs actually asked me how to do that, so here I am making a video about it and revealing my secret. And honestly, I'm so glad I found this technique. I actually saw a YouTube short and it was not as popular as it should be. Like, it had a very huge potential, but somehow it wasn't that popular. So that girl basically styled her hair like this and it just looks so phenomenal that I wanted to try it, and now here I am loving it. So yeah, if you guys want to see this secret hair tutorial, then keep watching. So my hair are fresh out of the shower, so I'm just gonna comb them as usual. And also I've seen a lot of girls and even men are rough with their hair. That's just a universal fact now, but I've seen so many girls just brushing their hair so harshly. Like, I don't know, like, it is really bad for your head, and to be honest, your hair doesn't deserve that treatment. So please just be very soft and patient. So now that they are brushed very smoothly and they feel actually really good after brushing, I'm going to be using a serum. So this is the Biolage hair serum and this is the deep smoothing serum. You might have seen in other videos as well. I use this constantly because I honestly love it. I just take like 3 to 4 drops and just warm it in my hands only for a bit, and then just apply it on the length of my hair, not the roots, because it is oil based. Obviously I don't want my head to be oily the next day, so only the length. Alright, so now I am going to be using a hair straightener, and for that I'm going to be using this Iconic straightener. This is in S3. This is actually really nice. I have had this for like 7-8 years now. I don't even know, since I can remember I started straightening with this only, and now I'm here using it all over like so many times. So, and it has all these like temperatures that you can set, and I usually keep it at 190. So I'm just gonna turn it on and then I'm just gonna leave it for like 30-40 seconds. It will just heat up a little and then we are good to go. Till then I'm gonna divide my hair into 2 sections. So what I do is I take my 2 thumbs, I put right here, the starting of the ear, and I just go towards the back, and then there I have the 2 sections of my hair right here. This is the first and this is the second. So I just clip up the first section. I'm just using a random claw clip to pin it up. Alright, so now the machine is hot and we are good to go. So now I'm just gonna take a small section from my hair and so don't mind my voice because it is literally gone. So what I do is I just straighten it as usual from like the starting of my hair, just straightening it, and then for like the 3rd or 4th straightening movement, what I do is I bring I just bring it down as usual, and then towards the end I just up it like a little bit, and then it forms this little curl. If you have layers, this is gonna look like amazing. This hair setting could be like your blessing if you have layers. So if you have layers, please try it. You will thank me later. So what you do is you just straighten your hair normally towards like the starting and straightening it, and like for the 3rd or 4th time, what you do, wait, like all this hair is coming in between, sorry. So what you do is, towards the end, you just curl your machine a little bit. It's like a hand movement, so it is going like this, and then you just do this. Okay, I'm just gonna continue it for the rest of the section. And you know, if this movement is quite difficult because it is like this, like it really stresses the wrist. So if you don't want to do that, what you actually can do is, wait, let me show you. Again, just straightening it. Now for like the time that you're gonna be doing that movement, what you can do is hold it like this only, straighten it, because this is quite easier than that movement, and then put your wrist like this. This is really easy, and there you have it. Now for the baby hairs that I have right here, I just straighten them as usual because this is just really short to be twisted. It is gonna literally look like 90s Salman Khan or something. So yeah, I'm just gonna straighten them as usual. Okay, so as you can see, the first section is all done, and now moving on to the rest of the hair. Now I separated using my eyebrows. So please just make sure that you twist your hand towards the end only. You don't do like this like in the halfway. Just please twist it towards the end only. Otherwise, if you like do before that, it's just gonna make a regular curl, so it's like no difference at all. So yeah, that's a little important that you do it only and only in the end. So this is another section all complete. Honestly, I can get this done in like 7 to 8 minutes, because you know, I just have that hang on my hair, so I just do it pretty quickly now because like I'm so used to it. So now for this, what I do is, wait, let me show you. I first straighten them really nicely using a comb, because this can burn your fingers. So, and it just distributes the heat really nicely, and just like the front part, so it has to be you know, it has to look perfect. Again, only towards the end, but just a little bit, literally just this part. I just go like this, so it forms a little curve. And what I do is I just take my hand, do like this, so it just merges with the rest of the hair and it looks like this. So are you ready? This is my hair. Oh my god, I am obsessed. It looks so good, but if you have like layers in your hair, oh my god, it's just gonna look so beautiful. So this is the back. Wait, this is the back. Do you like it? Oh my god, I am obsessed. I am truly obsessed. Please tell me in the comments if you try and if you liked it. Oh my god, I would love to hear about it. So yeah, this was my secret hair tutorial, and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on what you'd wish to see from me next. Also hit the subscribe button. I'll be really happy if you come along with my YouTube journey. I'll see you in the next one. So till then, take care, bye.